Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Payoneer payout verification for affiliate programs, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Payoneer payout verification for affiliate programs, begin by logging into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the settings section of the dashboard. Look for the Verification Center option. Once in the Verification Center, identify the section related to payout verification. Click on the option to initiate the verification process. Prepare the necessary documentation, which may include your government-issued ID, proof of address, and any relevant business documents. Upload the required documents as per the guidelines provided on the screen. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible to avoid any delays in the verification process. After uploading, review your submissions for accuracy. Submit your documents for review. Wait for Payoneer's verification team to process your request. You will receive an email notification about the status of your verification. If approved, you will be notified that your payout methods are now verified. In case of rejection, carefully read the feedback provided. Follow the instructions in the feedback to rectify any issues. Once improvements are made, resubmit your verification documents. Be patient during the review period, as it may take a few days. After successful verification, proceed to link your affiliate program accounts to your Payoneer account. Ensure all information is consistent between your Payoneer account and affiliate program. Regularly check your email for any updates or requests from Payoneer. By following these steps, you will successfully restore your Payoneer payout verification for affiliate programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.